From makeup to hair removal, what is harmful during pregnancy, what is not. Some of the things you routinely did before you got pregnant are starting to confuse you now, right? What is harmful during pregnancy? We're guessing you're also wondering. In order to eliminate the question marks in your mind one by one, we have collected them all in this video. What is not harmful in pregnancy? And what to do during pregnancy is harmful. Is waxing harmful during pregnancy? If the environment is sterile. If the materials used are clean. If you can stand the pain during the application, there is no harm in waxing during pregnancy. However, your skin can be much more sensitive and susceptible to irritation during pregnancy. Situations such as repeated application and very hot wax can damage the skin very quickly. Therefore, you should be very careful when waxing. If you are going to a beauty salon, you should definitely say that you are pregnant.
Is laser epilation done during pregnancy? There is no scientific data on this subject, but experts are not very keen on laser epilation during pregnancy. Unlike X-rays, these laser beams penetrate only 2 to 3 millimeters below the skin and do not affect the baby. However, when it comes to pregnancy, it is useful to approach everything with a little skepticism. Although there are no known side effects yet, you better leave the laser hair removal job until after the birth.
Is hair removal cream used during pregnancy?
Using depilatory cream during pregnancy is a much easier method than waxing or a razor, and it is mostly harmless. However, there are some things you should be aware of before using these creams while pregnant. The content of the cream is very important. If it contains heavy chemicals, it can be dangerous for you and your baby. So make sure the cream you use is free of barium sulfide and calcium thioglycolate. The smell of these creams is generally offensive. Be sure to ventilate the area you are in so that you do not feel nauseous and dizzy while applying. To make sure that the cream is not allergic to your body, you should test it before using it. Try the cream on your hand first and find out if your skin reacts. If you use it without realizing that you are allergic, risky situations may arise for you and your baby.
Is hair cut while pregnant?
There is no danger of getting a haircut during pregnancy. Because while getting a haircut, the body neither comes into contact with a chemical nor is there any other situation that will threaten its health. However, there is an opinion among the public that a haircut will prevent the baby from feeding. But there is no scientific basis for this idea and there is no connection between the hair and the baby. You can cut your hair however you want.
Is it possible to dye hair while pregnant?
Experts are divided on this issue. Some say that dyeing hair during pregnancy may have risks, while others say it will not cause any problems. But the generally accepted opinion is that you can dye your hair except for the first 3 months of pregnancy. Since there is the idea that the chemicals in the dye can be absorbed by the scalp, you should not dye your hair during this period when the baby's development is very fast. It is okay to dye your hair after the 3rd month. However, it would be better if you take care that the paint is organic.
Is it harmful to apply nail polish during pregnancy?
There is no known danger of applying nail polish during pregnancy. But if you pay attention to a few points, you will both take precautions and relax. Make sure that the nail polishes you will use during pregnancy are quality products. Do not forget to remove the nail polish from your nail after 3 days at the latest. Make sure that the cleaner you will remove your nail polish from is odorless and acetone-free, because the smell of nail polish removers can bother you. After cleaning your nail polish, wash your hands with plenty of water.
Is skin care done during pregnancy?
Your skin won't always shine brightly because of the changing hormones during your pregnancy. You may even face the problem of acne. In such cases, you may want to have a skincare. The skincare you will have. It should not include skin peeling processes called peeling or microdermabrasion. It should not contain chemicals. It should not irritate the skin. All these are harmless when taken care of.
Is it harmful to wear makeup during pregnancy?
There is no such thing as giving up your daily beauty routines just because you are pregnant. In this process, your face will face a lot of changes. It's okay to wear makeup as long as you use the right products. So, how should the makeup materials you use during pregnancy be in order to eliminate these problems and feel good without harming yourself? Choose products that are non-allergenic, chemical-free, and do not clog pores. Avoid products containing vitamin A, paraben, BPA, phenylmercuric salts, acetate, nitrate, and oxybenzone. Choose fragrance-free products. Makeup products belong to you, no one else should use them. Keep the amount of product you use small. Avoid using heavy foundation, powder or lipstick. This can exacerbate skin problems such as acne.
Is it possible to enter the solarium during pregnancy?
Solarium is not a safe practice for anyone, because artificial ultraviolet rays are very dangerous for the skin. Therefore, the skin, which is already sensitive with pregnancy, may become more problematic, skin spots may darken or new ones may appear. In addition, some studies show that ultraviolet rays cause folic acid deficiency. That's why you should stay away from the solarium at least throughout your pregnancy.
Is it harmful to enter the sauna and hammam during pregnancy?
Very high body temperature during pregnancy, especially in the first 3 months, can cause the baby to experience spinal problems and some birth defects. It can also put you at risk of bleeding. Therefore, try to stay away from hammams and saunas throughout your pregnancy.
Is it harmful to have a manicure and pedicure during pregnancy?
If you are someone who cares about hand and foot care and if you have a manicure or pedicure regularly, it will be a little difficult for you to leave this routine during your pregnancy. However, as long as you pay attention to the hygiene rules, there is no reason not to do this carefully. Make sure that the tools you have for manicure and pedicure are special for you and also very clean. Take care not to experience any injuries such as cuts and scratches on your fingers during the procedure. Because your immunity is a little weak, a germ you get from these cuts will force you. Warn the beautician not to rub the area between your ankle bone and heel when getting a pedicure. This action can increase uterine contractions.
Is it harmful to use perfume during pregnancy?
You may become sensitive to odors during pregnancy, and your skin may have become much more sensitive. Therefore, substances in perfumes and deodorants can cause allergies on the skin. If you still want to use these products to feel good, you should choose those made from natural materials.
Are hair care oils used during pregnancy?
You can use natural oils instead of cosmetic products for hair care during pregnancy. Hair care oils have no known side effects, but it is helpful to take precautions. Therefore, you can choose natural products such as coconut and almond oil.